dana no pa ene etisi kurom adwuma na sese ya ni na memre dana ina besi memre dana na dwo ye ntimi anwie na nra sese ebu ye katam ni esaba na memre dana anopa no nso a ye hye adwuma die na se no se ye de ni fam na ye hunu niema ewo mamponkro ni mu no ene ma me hu se Ghana ye mpanifo no fa enwen wonwa ediyeso fa ewo mo nwen se ye ni managing directors bi o ye damaging directors won na ediyeso tie tata kwahye na kofa koko eba Ghana ha na ye ni made a ye fa koko tata kwahye ena kofa baaye ni anim obaaye no na ode koko yi pa akuapem mampon ena okoye afuo kakra wo ho koko no so ya yete ye na ehu se ade yi eye ebeboa ye pa so man na Ghana mbabo ade o eye gokos tata kwahye koko ba ko pa kofa ba ye no etimi ma koko board nkwa wotimi je besia $2.9 billion bos afi ba ko tata kwahye pe o otimi ma ye je besia $2.9 billion enya Ghana ba koko board nkwa sika waje se wode to koko eno no tata kwahye koko keka okofa ba ye ti kwabrane bosume so ye 750 million na wo papa wo se na kofa bae tata kwahye okofa ni koko bae no enam koko no suti nipa ba ko bosume so a ye mano 750 million se we ye obosuma katua koko okro no ho suti wala wa sese so ye keka bobom a na ma osika na kodu 86,860 million nipa ba ko bosume so a 860 million koko ba ko tata kwahye kofa ba intra eno anti no sa nipa ye bosume so a kanea oyusu nyon ne tua ena koko atata kwahye de ba yenti ensu oyusu nyon ne tua koko atata kwahye de ba yenti telephone hello no na ye no kra no enyon ne tua ko tata kwahye de kopa koko ne ba ye owo kase makoma ensia otumi twiri opa bia enyo ne sika de to tete kwahye koko ntra petrol diesel aye dugu kan nyon na to nyon ne tua ye wi ama ne nipa mienu aba no aduane ama na die eno so nyon ne tua wonom ka ye wi a ne yasa ma garden boy obetwitwa flowers e woni fie pepa na ne fie no tim no e hwa ye kama eno so nyon ne tua ye wi a ne ama na entertainment allowance sa kwa pia na wa aboa to de wudidi wi aya adwani church of bedwani no so tata kwahye kokokoro ya ode ba yintra ye wi ani ya man clothing allowance sa wo de sanji sika pay 860 million so bosu no so a ye sama sika de fa tontade na hye enam tata kwahye kokoko ode ba yintra wow ye wi ani ato fuel ye de awoso ama no oje 860 million wi a ni asa de wanyina aka ne ho ye wi enso a sa obi nka so onyare so no oyare ne yere eyare ne ma eyare a ne ya sa hwe hospital free ena koko ateta kwahye de ba yiti na koko board MD faso onya no asma maka kwase pratiam dance ni tisa eye wasum na mayi ma chaw ma dance mimi ne dana no pa no so eni esim se e ba nante first place I acquire tata kwahye the first cocoa farm in the whole of Africa. First cocoa farm the whole of Africa. And we kwape mapon. Ya kom. Me kwafo nim. Tata kwahye cocoa no ankasa tutu fam dua na akadua de tupe. Akadua no ono cocoa fo no tata kwahye ye no akadua de tu pe. Ena wafo nim tu. Na tu na aka no kra no se yetia eno no de ya hata no special na ya hata no wi a na ya de kokoko research institute and so be ni man pokro na mu na e di cocoa ni ba he no ye ni research center team e wo ho na ya tam na no ne ye de ko ba da nya no asam na meka na yiwa so na feti semfu e wo Ghana ha teta kwase de cocoa ba ye a enne cocoa board nko atimi gi be 2.9 billion wa bra na Ghana by Professor Messi down ye ko 3 billion e wo China ye nya the whole Ghana ye ko $3 billion wo China ye nya and so cocoa board nko 1 year to be 2.9 billion ne de amano dent na cocoa ntra teta kwase cocoa fa ni mu no His Excellency, the former President of the Republic of Ghana, John Kofi Diewo Amada Paba Kofo, ehunyansa. Eno so yenye museum. Na akonwa na tete kwa shete so no be ko nurse wo na hu futuro no mi do nyam yetimi disi abrosama na yeyi. Enti tete kwa shete konwa na otena so. Dade a na odedo. So a odidua ne koko, di odete koko, di ode hata koko, plate a odidim tete no mfa no kula. Ehina kula tete kwashi no munsuo ni nyina no ewo museum nim enye dan kese bia o eye dan kete ara wo samu ewo mu se kokko board pen for minimum adwenya wo wonte so wodwenya o edan na si ho na tete kwashi museum no a start nwunu eliki ensuo twa ebuze pa asa bodani e wenya daria pa and say Japadi aje kufako yesi hono asai apro ateti apasam adwiri and ensuo twa enwunu se ta and abibu sakrom 1.4 ntibugu krom ha nanano madama tibugu kroyim o se hwe kokko board for by year estimate say 8,000 Ghana cedis de betimi dia boso enua ka ho ba enua no manpon ni se nka mea meto enua na ma won enti ye wie ye no na sika asese omode board dan ne so no 4,200 Ghana cedis kokko board for so woni 4,200 Ghana cedis enti tata kwase museum na je kufo eye no esai ba woni 40 million fansa 50 million woni ba bosumi so wotimi nya 860 million and makwa brane na sa ni pada ye tua de kan so din kra no nim nyansa ko ba unu sa tata kwa shira kwa fa sa kokko ne ba ye e ma me meji 860 million ni di no me fa 60 million na da so kwa boda no so 42 million ti 4,200 enti tata kwa shimi zo no asai ye do na nkofo ne edan nim ya ne dan nim cho ya nim adentra washroom na wo ho no water closet but nsuo ni ho chetimi flash ade so ye twa pipe ni mu dada ba 7 years ni ye twa pipe na kwatata kwahye museum ho no enti wo mu nya nsuo emfa water kokko na akora ho no ti kokko de bia start hye Jimmy complete enti ho no wura ho a wo ye ho asa wo kwa wa pade a chekere wo hwene enso ma ye do wa ye wura dan ni mu no na sum bat empan na age hwafa na be say no so yo ye the light bill ka 150 Ghana cedis 1.5 million light bill and ye truck on cry and fear say ye 6 years ni light bill 150 Ghana cedis kokko board mpani font mi tua babu tumi tua 860 million e mani pa ba ko say boso me onko jindi enti na board ben na net ho no na board members kitam wo 3 150 Ghana cedis muntimi tua me ye tractor kwahye museum light wo hom ba board member ni board chairman muntimi 300 million ko di bronya we Jimmy what we for 300 million 30,000 Ghana cedis ni adama say je kodi bronya enam kokko atete kwahye kofa ba yenti na mom 150 Ghana cedis 1.5 million kokko body ni sika obetimi atua they the light alcohol water bill ni 70 Ghana water bill ni ntia emma emfienson ye kala ye kansuom e watete kwahye museum hono e 70 Ghana cedis roof ni na ya 4,200 when your hini or dream ni pa ho sabe mama udua no free na mo fa roofing sheet pre fabra 4,200 kokko board force woni bi 70 Ghana kokko board si woni bi 150 Ghana cocoa board si woni bi eti a dynasty wono essay ade ama me wura ho ye ne se eniema ya tro wo ho nyina ye mfuturo ena essay ade akasaka sabe ya kan ya sebe ya mfa ya nto abrofo ho ba wo hwe bibini ni mpa na wo de to broni ho pa tim say menka sade we eyebroni ena tete kwase kofa kokko we baaye ena no sofa so ne me do nyame na kasa na obewura sa dan ni mu no sika wo betua no less than 5,000 to your safe facility no ebusa we nya ya de maka che we ya kete afa yi wasu ne tie bombshell J.A. Kufuor, His Excellency the former president in 2007 project no who fees our project no and the former finance minister nyame fa the class say Kwadwo Bawumia do South Africa one baby no that day abekwa sam kire yen say na Kwadwo Bawumia for close to 2 days no nada no nai papa no ona wana no besa de ko mampon wakoya den yesi afra bibi Cocoa Jubilee Fields eti asase yakọ na omokoye 2007 na edi Ghana at 50 mba fantastic wakoya no woni ambassador se wo na ti se wura sa Cocoa farm ni wa US ambassador ni Cocoa dua ho Japanese ambassador China ambassador all the ambassadors na wo Ghana hey na John J. Kufuor first time obi akodua Cocoa ho na tie ebufusam arohosam na ehisam ho sabi yesi afra Jubilee Fields na ehọ na edua Cocoa no no ene J. Kufuor hu nyansa se esese enye chocolate factory ewo akwapem mampon na ye fra no Tetekwashe chocolate factory na ye de she Tetekwashe nyonyam de enti oye ne se emra oni Czech Republic ambassador koye no don't catch on say perception one of the powerful tools in the world and for the ton they didwa it is a brony bit America UK here na ote say chocolate we efri baby Tetekwashe kodua Cocoa ni say Tetekwashe Cocoa ni bi de chocolate eni pa betro busu ne bo no so be de Ghana benyeska na J. Kufuor say sao say and say the chocolate factory ha and J. Kufuor started here in 2008 we sit dining in area na eduru de sese ye boso keke enfidie no so agudam o enfidie na ye de be ya sa factory no abusia agudam ena ya to abawie 2008 ena J. Kufuor na ba na memwo no ba wiye na adulu su 2008 ena Professor Mills be di ankonya efi 2008 besin na ame no kasei ya pe 40,000 Ghana cedis 400 million dia bodan Cocoa board for so woni bi Cocoa board for so woni 40,000 Ghana cedis but we 860 million ya de makwabra ne ba kokodi na board members so age 30,000 e de akodi burunya yenjimi e dan na say be 40,000 Ghana cedis na bought chocolate factory no so na enfaso baso me call your document that ho ya kan che say e betimi adwuma ye fo e be fa mo permanent worker say 2,000 sa factory fiana si wono enipa e be fa bo ye 2,000 ene ye permanent ya fa no say wo ka ho wo hyem bi permanent 2,000 Utah na on be recruit wo outgrowers on be dua Cocoa special Cocoa bia ye de be bro mo ya nurse Cocoa ni somewhat 3 acres Cocoa ni na hye because Cocoa board say we need 40,000 Ghana cedis what about sa factory ni so now man your recruitment list remember makoma 7,000 paper under da 7,000 and 27,000 na kwaka 2,000 na ho yenya 9,000 workers youth of this country usu ujazu yenya 9,000 and what you know we so be creating outlets in the whole every country in Africa sales outlets the whole Africa say chocolate where the every Tetekwashe Cocoa direct and also abandon starting say oh yeah recruitment and to one Ghana ambassadors to all African countries in Kuta home yeah per offices and you're ready say Tetekwashe Cocoa emu chocolate beba But because Cocoa Board any 40,000 Ghana cedis said they bought some factory the equipment na buy no say. And your mother had buy factory no say. Yeah, Jimmy Papa. Yeah, Jimmy Papa. Cocoa Board in Nisika, but board members to make 30,000 Ghana cedis and the Kodibronya. Na yama CEO 860 million. Nebus marketia. No no so Kodibronya yama 32,000 aka 860 million. No faka 300 million plus 860 million. Fast so. Say. Board members of Cocoa Board obia the Land Cruiser. Every board member. At the Land Cruiser. But you need 400 million cedis per 40,000 Ghana cedis per. Yeah, they bought this facility so ma any per 10,000 and your Jumaye. I think it was a crime for Kufo to have started that. Yeah, Kasek, you could yes, I Kufo basis no real nadia. That's what you was you say to about democratic rule. And you're sorry, I need a delay near Quatuaba. Nampani for Babuya Quasana or Court, near Swania Quadia near Quatuaba. No, we have Babuya Quasana or yes, Swania near Quatuaba. No, we have Babuya Quasana or Nankaway. On Mania, when you answer, on Mania, what Ginia, on Mania, the forum, so for me, we say, answer, boy. I can mampong, as I say, your croa can so be too plain, Filabo Chese, or be shaped up in mampong. As I come mampong, chronically, as I said in your friend of Cocoa City. Now, a tourist. The friends have an table for tourists in Yabaya. Monka society was a location, was a town, was a day.
Tourist attraction.
Tourists, whatever attraction, whatever. But yet to come on a gun and penny for plan and Marcos Dubai with Trisuma Papaso. Some will hear Dubai. Dubai, na fair, Dubai, na ye, but who are crapping Mamposi here, was Sano. Now we see Cronoma when Yamina Yadon, yes, I can't Tiana, Domina Copia Cofodiana. Cacroni. Titaquashi Museum. And so I say a pa. And so to a new added that Cocoa Board say woman 4,200 Ghana cedis, 42 million. And then number one. Number two, the church at Aquashi Museum and Swam 7 years. I can't know so 70 Ghana cedis. Cocoa Board see what this account would be betria. Only 70 Ghana. I would be betria. In Swano. Now, and Swat to me about the Atoso and Yansan say. Money 150 Ghana cedis, and the light bill 6 years in the Aquashi Museum, lighting 6 years, 150 Ghana cedis. 40,000 Ghana cedis in a whole chocolate factory at J.O. for starting here. Now a drum moswa, keke. And a 2008 I buy society. 40,000 Ghana cedis, you know, Yantimi and Yan Fan Modern facilities, equipment, and any buy factory, no air say. A go. From 2008 up to 2016, 8 years. This is the 9th year. Cocoa Board to me 40,000. And from Cobo Sadan so. Chassis. Cobo Sadan so. Eti a Juma Kanafa in the 2,000 permanent workers. 2,000 aka. And Mebuno outgrowers 7,000 aka. Outlets across Africa and also aka. Because of 40,000, you to be more than that. Now, I want someone to say, what father in that you are? Who do a cocoa one of 4 7 come for her? Ghana journalists, I can see you no more dices or more for a come fee for the weekend. What father in Fasoha? Past MPs, past ministers, current MPCB, current minister CB, or one time could be punished or a 1 hour fat. And the come fee for the whole weekend. The weekend, they do a come what the papa. Now we share cocoa, two and share cocoa for Napampam. Now share penny way no butu about Abasu. No who is able to Abaso. Baby, we know to who died I am was 40,000 Ghana cedis. This is how you bought chairman with Cocoa Board. Near to me 300 million said Jikodi Brunya. While Black Board and William said a board in any set at Aquashi Museum. 4,200 Ghana cedis, to me more dinosaur museum, they say. 70 Ghana cedis, 70 Ghana, 10 cedis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pay. In field soon, you did a chat in Zoom. Now your board member, I would get 30,000 Kodibrunya. Edi be na sese ya de fro. Wo hwa ye fro se din bai. Aya woni ma na wa describe din na ma me meka on radio so. Say we your board member. Now to 30,000 Ghana cedis kodi bronya. Now 150 Ghana cedis. Penti ye tata kwachi museum. Kaniem. Na edi be ni ye fan frɛ. Ye fancy ha. Na yemie epono no. Na etiefo mwasuma where ye part 1 Kwapem Mampong. Part 2 Kwapem Mampong Wednesday. Na de won bia no e be unity apie 0302216561 216562 0268 499 347 0268 499 347 Makato Sagana ye be na dro. If it will take my blood, we will heal Ghana, I swear. I tell you, we will heal Ghana. Obi ba ko pe na di animu America. Na Obama be di president bibini. Yeah, hello, good morning. Hello. Pacho Mamintio. Morning, sir.
Family be be tafo.
That's it.
95 go na omo ya sade, omo kwa so de.
Omo ya Christopher Kama.
Di omo sai kana na so mo ya ni. In fact, omo sa pa dia